I know you must have been worried how you can place yourself on a TV screen like this and a phone screen and a banner. Okay, so these are basic simple effects that you all can do at home. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create this stunning effect. Okay, so guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech here. In this tutorial we are going to achieve all of this using CapCut and Pinterest document. Okay, we'll be using Pinterest to generate our banner, our television and phone. Okay, so and then we use the document because iPhone, we are going to use the iPhone to download, but for Android users you will just download it. You just have to head over to Pinterest. If you don't have an account with Pinterest, you just have to sign up, download the app and sign up. It has a lot of videos that you can leverage on. Okay, so and then we head over to CapCut. CapCut is the app that we are going to use to edit our video. Okay, so guys, if you watch the video up to this point, please don't forget to like, to subscribe to this channel and share this video to 5. Okay, and without wasting time, if you are ready, let's head over straight to the tutorial proper. Like I mentioned, we'll be using Pinterest and CapCut and document for iPhone users. Okay, first we are going to generate our background. Okay, we are going to download it, so you head straight to Pinterest. You tap on Pinterest, and of course if you haven't signed up on this app, you make sure you do so. Okay, so firstly we are going to download this laptop. Okay, like this, you copy the link, you tap on the three dots, and copy. We head over to document like this one. So document, you click on this plus sign, and because we are using Pinterest, and then you search for Pinterest downloader. I'll be doing tutorial for this one. Okay, how you can download video from Pinterest. Okay, the link that you've copied from Pinterest, you paste it here and click download. If you need HD download, you can download the HD. So laptop that we want to use has already been downloaded into my gallery. So after you've downloaded the images that you want, so then we head over to CapCut. Okay, you have project, and then here you go. And then the first thing you do, you bring in the video that you want to use. I've already imported my video, so as you can see, the video is already set on the timeline. Tap on layer, add layer, and then we are now going to search for the image that we downloaded from Pinterest. You stretch the video all the way down to the end. Let me shift this video here, and then you apply, you move BG, and then you tap on chroma key, click and drag on the screen like this. Okay, and then reduce the intensity. Okay, tap on good, zoom the video for it to fill the screen. Okay, and then now you tap on the main video. Okay, you tap on it, you select it. I've already selected the video, and then make sure you zoom it. Use your 2 finger for it to fit the laptop. Okay, and here you go. Okay, so I'm using my 2 finger to drag it. So hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. You see, so this is how you can do the first one, and then we head straight again. We are going to do another one with a banner. Let's use the same video. Okay, we are going to use the same video. I will tap and add. Okay, then, and we tap on overlay again. That is the same process, okay, that we just did. I'm going to use this one.
Okay, tap add, and once you've click on add, the same process again. You head over to remove BG, tap on remove BG and add chroma key. You click and drag on top of the screen. Try to minimize the video to fit the screen there. As you can see, I've already zoom it to fit the screen. Okay, no, it's not properly set, so tap on it again. Alright, so let's play it again and see.
Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech.
Have you seen how beautiful it is? So and then we are going to do the same process. The last one, we are going to do the last one. You bring the playhead right to the end here. I've already downloaded a lot of green screen. Okay, and let's use this one and see. Make sure you import the main video first. Okay, this is the main video. If you have any other video, you can use them. Okay, you can use this one. I changed the background. Of course, I've already done tutorial on how to change your background, so you can go and watch it. Okay, and then you bring in now the overlay video. Okay, the overlay video. So you tap on overlay, add overlay, and this one, this banner on the street. I'm going to use this one that's on the street, and then you do the same process again. You head over to remove BG. Here it is. Tap on remove BG and you click on chroma key and then apply it on the banner or whatever object object you want to apply your banner. Okay, and then you want to apply your video on it, and then tap on good, and then we select again like we did. We tap the main video and zoom it for it to fit the screen. Okay, let's size it. Okay, you have to scale it. I'm zooming it. Okay, so let's play and see.
Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech.
How it is. So make sure you drag the overlay video right down to the end. Okay, so this one is kind of short, so I have to duplicate it. Okay, drag it to the end and cut it where the video ends. Okay, and here we go. So see how beautiful it is. Okay, so guys, if you find this tutorial very useful, drop a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you are able to achieve this. Okay,
so guys, this is how we are able to create this stunning beautiful effect. Okay, it's super easy and fun, so you can play with it and to achieve this stunning effect. Okay, so bye, see you in my next tutorial.